In a quiet corner of a village, under an old house, lived a brave little cat named Moosey. Moosey was fearless, but one day brought an unexpected challenge. In the same house lived a tiny, timid mouse named Toomey. Suddenly, a big dog burst into the house and began chasing Toomey. Toomey was too small to run fast. Toomey was in big trouble. Moosey saw the danger and rushed to help without hesitation. She quickly picked up Toomey and hid her safely in a corner just in time. The dog searched but eventually gave up and left. Toomey looked at Moosey in shock and said,
"You saved me! I used to be so scared of you."
Moosey smiled and replied, "All animals can help each other. Sometimes love appears even through fear." They gazed sweetly at each other as a wonderful friendship began. Moosey and Toomey stayed together from then on, supporting each other always. They learned that suspense, rescue, and kindness create a lifelong bond.